Step 4, commit to your design and use it henceforth. You now understand what UTMs are. You know the data you should prioritize. You know how to keep track of all your URLs, and you've got a few tools to help keep you organized and sane, so you can very efficiently produce reports and have data to back all of your decisions. And you know exactly where your target benchmarks are from the generated data, exactly for your unique business and your unique case. That's all in the paid version. So ongoing, you should be able to, when you're building a new campaign, you know what to name it, you know what to name your ad sets, you know what to name your ads, you know what to name your custom audiences, your custom conversions, you know how to set up your funnels, you know what to name them, you know how to categorize your stages, you know how to define the type of funnel within your project, you know how to design your emails, your cross-platform communications, how to name your lists, how automations are connected, your objections on each lists, and you know how to run quick optimization queries, such as knowing your UTM rules and the specific names of UTM parameters. You can begin comparing those variables together in relation to your goals, such as like how much are we spending on Facebook and how much are we spending on LinkedIn, how well optimized is Facebook in relation to LinkedIn, to better determine where you should invest next quarter's budget, more so in Facebook or LinkedIn. You can do that on a minute level using this. And that's it. That's how to use UTM parameters more so efficiently, effectively to scale your business linearly by putting $1 in and $2 out, if you combine it with my paid version of all of this. The paid version really adds nitrous to this article by adding the KPI math and formulas to your now organized data streams through understanding what UTM parameters are. It's $100 as it is right now. The whole purpose of that being $100 and paid to begin with is because the math is very, very important and critical to success, but it's not necessarily needed. You may not care about that. I don't know what you care about. I don't know what it is you actually want, but if you want it, it's there. You can book a phone call with me, $7. I go through all of this with people every day. You can buy my book. It's at the top. And so on and so forth. But overall, I hoped that now knowing how to track and organize your data, you could build a business solely on doing this for people. It's that powerful. It's not as complicated as what you think. It may take you a couple of read-throughs. It may take you a couple of rewatching all of this. But overall, using my calculators and simple formulas, you should be using this blog as a whole. You should be going from flobby, slow, unorganized mess of a business owner to a lean, mean, efficient earning machine when it comes to online business and online marketing. So hope you've enjoyed, hope you've learned something, hope you can use this information to better yourself and help those people in your circle. And maybe someday down the line, when you're ready or if you want, you can book a phone call with me and we can talk about profit shares and we can talk about how we can work together to ultimately scale each other. Because at the end of the day, that's my objective here. Help you by giving, and giving. You go in, you make something with that, you come back to me and we talk about optimization, how to improve it, how to make it a little bit more. Or if you just want my book and micro products and you don't care about talking to people, just go ahead and buy that stuff yourself. See you all in the next article.